arkadaşlar, benim kanalıma hoş geldiniz. Şimdi sizlere şişeden makine silah nasıl yapılır onu göstereceğim.
In this video, I'll be showing how to make a bullpup style airsoft machine gun out of a soda bottle. This project only requires 4 parts. We have 1 plastic soda bottle, we have a 1/4-inch quick-release air compressor adapter, 1 air compressor blowgun, and 1 7mm by 6-inch long brake line. The first step will be to take the quick-release adapter and thread it into the blowgun.
Evet arkadaşlar, gördüğünüz gibi.
The tip of the blowgun should then be threaded out for the next step. A hole should now be drilled into the side of the bottle about an inch down from the bulged area at the top. This hole should be made just barely large enough to fit the back end of the threaded nozzle piece that we took off of the blowgun. The nozzle is now placed inside of the bottle. Using a metal file or another straight piece of steel or wood, the nozzle is directed into the hole in the side of the bottle from the inside. The rod that is used to direct the nozzle tip into the hole is then left in place so that it prevents the tip from spinning as we screw the blowgun back onto it. Tightening the blowgun down onto the nozzle tip will secure it to the bottle. At this point, the cap on the bottle is taken and a hole is drilled through the center of it just large enough that the threads on our brake line will screw into it. The line is pulled through so that it fully extends toward the inside of the cap. A bead of hot glue holds the line in place. The bottle is now filled about halfway with airsoft pellets and the barrel is screwed in place. For now, this project is complete. Let's take it outside and give it a test.
Evet arkadaşlar, son videoyu izlediğiniz için aşağıdan abone olmayı unutmayın ve videoyu beğenmeyi unutmayın ve abone olmayı unutmayın. Kendinize iyi bakın. Bay bay.